again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
Hello YouTube, and welcome to another episode of That Magical Life. I'm Matt and this is my wife
Heather,
and we're gonna do another dog toy review for you guys. Ghost, our soon to be 9-month-old puppy. He's a heavy chewer, for those of you who don't know, and we took a very recent trip to Target and we picked up this toy here.
Super Chewer Hardcores by Bark.
So it says it's supposed to be pretty durable and tough.
Toys for tough dogs. Hard to reach squeaker, which is usually the thing that I try to rip out first. So we'll see. This one is Hare Raiser. So we'll see if it's as tough as they say, if it can hold up to Ghost.
Ghost loves things that squeak. So, I believe this toy makes some sort of noise. Maybe
It says it has a squeaker in it, but I don't hear any squeaking.
We'll see what happens. So, look forward to seeing how it does with Ghost and how he loves it, or if he doesn't like it, right?
I'll let you know.
Now.
I think it's safe to say that the Hare Raiser is very durable and passed Ghost durability test. I don't see him being able to destroy it. It's maybe not one of his favorite toys, but he'll play with it, and I don't think he'll be able to destroy it. So it's definitely a tough toy. So I would recommend. I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. And go out and get that magical life.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you